Here, don't try and touch them right now. I'm trying to get some good shots of them. Alright, so these are just about 4 weeks old. The two black ones are boars. The gilt on the left there is a tiny little thing. Not super tiny, but she's always been small. The other two lighter colored gilts. Oh, hi, sweetie. There's the darker colored gilt. She's a clone of her mother. This one with the two black ears, she's the biggest from the start. And the two boars are almost identical. Almost identical clones of their father. Who's over there? Aww. I think one of the boars is just a little bit bigger than the other. But the two of the larger, lighter colored gilts have snouts that are just too long for sure. Ooh! Food fight. Ooh! There's a darker colored. The darker red one. Ooh! Oh my god. Jeez.
He grew up like 5 feet away.
Are you okay, buddy?
Haven't you learned your lesson with the boy?
No, he's... Oh, hi, sweetie. She's a good looking one. I like that one. And the boars. The snouts on these other ones are not correct. Hi, little guy. And I think this one here is just a little bit bigger.
Should we give the father some food?
Yeah, we should probably feed him. I just want to get them all.
Don't mess with her.
I just want to get them all. Here, back up. I just want to get them all. Woo! Well, you found your apple, huh? That's a good looking pig. Ooh, watch out, buddy. Yeah, he's chunky. He's got big shoulders already. 4 weeks old. Ooh. And she looks good too. All right, that's enough.